If you've been wondering if the Fender Champion 20 can handle pedals, this is a video for you. I've got my buddy Paul Keenum. Hey, Paul.
Thanks for having me.
Yes, this guy is a master of pedals. He brought his pedal board here, and we're going to test if the Fender Champion 20 can handle pedals. So, Paul, what do you want to run through at first, and what is usually the benchmark for seeing if an amp can handle pedals?
I like to have a couple pocket songs, so to speak, just stuff that you know how to play them really well, you know what it's supposed to sound like, and you can sit down at an amp, get settings tweaked, and you can sit there and start playing and knowing each stage of overdrive or delay, what the reverb sounds like. You know exactly what you're looking for as far as trying out a new amp or a new pedal, stuff like that.
So, would you take us through this and let's answer the question: does the Fender Champion 20 handle pedals well?
Alrighty, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a reverb on pretty much the whole time, just because most amps are going to handle a reverb pedal up front really well, or they're going to have a built-in reverb that's going to sound really good as well.
All right.
I'll turn a delay on eventually, but I'm just going to kind of start with a clean tune.
Okay. And by the way, we have it set on, it's on the Tweed amps on red. So, and the gain is on about 3. So we are not pushing the gain from this preamp. We're going to be doing that from the pedals, and the volume is on about 5. So here we go.
So that's just kind of my bass clean tone. I know that's going to work really well for what I need to do. Next up is going to be my first stage pedal, which is going to be a booster typically. Okay. Shouldn't add too much to my signal, just a little bit of that chime, a little bit of grit.
Okay, so there we go. By the way, if you have the Fender Champion 20 and you're trying to unlock the potential of this amp and get better tones out of it, I have 2 resources for you. First is my newsletter. It's free. Down in the description section below where it says sign up for the newsletter, just click there. When you do, you're going to get a link to a video, and it's how to get a gorgeous clean tone on the Fender Champion 20. If you like that video, that is from my Fender Champion 20 tone course. Also down in the description section where it says buy the course now. I highly recommend it because in the Fender Champion 20 tone course, I take you through every parameter, every knob of the amp, explain how it works, and then I show you and leave you with presets on how to get sounds ranging from a clean tone to blues, metal, rock, all sorts of tones to help you get the most out of your Fender Champion 20. So go down in the description section below and check that out. All right, back to the video.
That kind of brightens things up a little bit. Naturally, playing a Fender amp with a telly, it's going to be a little bit brighter. That's how I like it personally. But that's sounding great so far. Next up is going to be my second stage overdrive pedal. Again, I'm not adding too much dirt right now, not too much gain or anything. Still, just kind of what I'm doing is boosting my actual sound level. So I'm pushing that amp a little more than relying on the actual pedal to get the gain for me.
Okay. So here it is.
And you can kind of hear with that second overdrive pedal, again, it gets a little bit louder, a little bit more fuller, starting to get on that breakup tone that we like.
Yeah.
And then when I kick on number 3, which will be now, that should get a little bit closer to that rock and roll sound.
Okay,
so,
here we go.
And that's sounding really good so far. Like that's the same kind of tone I'm looking for when I'm playing with my main rig. And I do have one more stage, which is just melt your face off for just really when I need just our student services. We do a lot of higher gain stuff for that, and it works out great for stuff like that. But here is that one. That sounds fantastic.
All right, so the Fender Champion 20, as far as we can tell, you've added some reverb, some delay, lots of overdrives.
this is perfect. I mean, this is great, a great budget friendly option, and I would if I had to use it, I would. So
there you go. Okay. So there you have it. The Fender Champion 20 is an amazing little amp. It's packed full of features and it handles pedals well. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a like, drop me a comment below if you have anything you want to say, or if you have another question about this amp. Also, if you don't own this amp, down in the description section below where it says buy now, you can click there. I am an Amazon affiliate, and at no extra charge to you. If you buy it there, I get a small commission. It's one way I support this channel, and I would greatly appreciate it. And the amp's on sale right now. It's $109.99 as of mid-September 2022. I don't know why they've dropped the price so much, but it went from almost $150 to $109.99, and that is with free shipping and also free returns. You just will have to pay tax. And if you're looking for more videos on this amp, I've got them for you. If you want to hear how to dial in a Master of Puppets sound by Metallica, just click right there. And as always, click right there to subscribe, and be sure to hit the bell, because when you hit the bell, you get notifications as soon as I do more videos like this. As always, thank you for your time. God bless. Have a great day. Bye.